Why are you still cleaning manually? Now everyone's using this billy car vacuum cleaner. First, the crumbs on the seat get cleaned up fast. Then I go into the seat gaps, where all the tiny pieces fall. Dust, sand, and little debris on the floor mats get picked up too. Cup holders are always messy, but this makes them easy to clean. I also use it for side pockets and those narrow console gaps. And at home, it works great for couch crumbs too. Couch gaps, cushion edges, and small rug messes are easy to handle. The blower function helps push dust out of tight corners first. It can also help inflate small items like a swim ring or travel pillow. For car crumbs, couch crumbs, dust, and small inflatables, this little tool is actually useful.